Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video we will discuss about access modifiers in Java. So let's see, like there are two types of modifiers in Java. One is access modifier and another one is non-access modifier. So let's talk about access modifier in this video. So access modifiers in Java specify the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor or class. We can change access level of field, constructor, methods and class by applying access modifiers on it. Like we can restrict a user, like you can't use this variable, you can't use this method, you can't use this class in any other classes. So using these access modifiers we can do these things. So there are four types of access modifiers in Java. First one is private, second one is default, third one is protected, and last one is public. So when we talk about private, so the access level of a private modifier is only within the class, it cannot be accessed from outside the class. So when we talk about private, let me create a class to give you an example. Like I'm creating a class V, and inside this class I have a method like private int, you can say age is equal to 40. Okay, I have this variable inside my envy class, and if I am trying to call this variable in my main method, in that case we can't use this variable inside my main method. Let me just give you an example so that you will get more clarity about this. AGE. Okay, you can see I am getting error here. You can, this is saying like change visibility of is or to package. Okay, so we can't use private variable outside the class. We can only use this variable inside this class only. Okay, this is called private. This is all about private access modifiers. And default, the second one is default. The access level of default modifiers is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be default. It will be the default. Okay, like I have created a class here like class nv, and I have not mentioned any access specifiers, like you can say access modifiers here. In that case we can say this class is a default class. So if you if you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Okay, and we can use default modifier within the package. Like this is my package name sample.test. So let me just give you a brief example about this. So you can see I have a sample.test package. Inside this package I have a my class, nv class, and my access modifier class. Okay, so if we are using default, if you are using default modifier, in that case we can only use this class inside my sample.test package. So it, in this case, like sample.case, I have these lots of classes in my sample.test package. So I can use access modifiers class and nv class inside these classes only. I can't use this nv and nv and access modifiers class inside this package. Okay, so when you talk about default is only accessible inside the package. We can't use default classes or default variable or default methods outside the package. So, and next one is protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. So if you want to you can't use protected directly, you have to create a class, and you need to just use interface concept there, like extend the class in any other classes. And using child classes we can access protected class or protected method or protected variable. So using inheritance we can call protected variable, protected method, or protected. So, and the next one is public. You can, so as the name suggests, public is public. Like you can use it wherever you want to use. Like it can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. So if you want to make any class, any method public, you have to mention public first. Like here I have not mentioned anything here, so in that case it's a default class. If I will, like if I am making this public, in that case this one is public class, this one is public class. And if I there is one more thing, like a class is on, like a class, it can't be private or protected. So a class be only default or public. We can make class only default or public. This is the main point. You can say point to remember. A class can't be private and protected. Okay, that the class only be default and public. Method and variable are can be private, default, protected, and public. Okay, so I have already given example of private methods. If you talk about default methods, for this I have to just create one more package inside. Like you can see, I have a class done.java in my sample.next package, not in the same package. If I will try to just call this class inside my main method, which is in sample.test package, in that case I can't use that class inside this package. This is example of you can say default access modifiers. So, and the next one is protected. Let's see how protected will work. So for this, I'm creating a class. You can say class nv. Like I've already a class name nv, and I'm just creating a method here. Method here protected. This will not return anything. I'm just printing something message here, and inside this class, I am saying like hello. Okay, this is my. Let's remove this public from here. This is my envy class, and I'm just trying to use this class inside my you can say main class. So I can make object of NB because this one is default class and it is in my same package. That's why I can make object of NB class. But and my class is also in the same package. In that case, I can call this message method using this object. But when this and like when I am trying to just call my done class inside here, in that case I need to just use interface concept. Like I have to just extend done class in my nv class, and after that I can use that method which is available in done, or you can say which is available in done class, I can use in my main method. So this is the example of protected. So using this way we can achieve protected concept. And if you talk about public, you guys already know public. I have already give you lots of example of public. Like earlier in each and every video I am taking each and every object as a public, so that we can use this in any class in which is in any package. So we can also achieve Java access modifier with method overriding. Like we can make a protected method in a package and just extend that protected class. We can extend that class which have protected method in another classes and just override that method. So there are lots of things we can do, like try to do overriding, try to do overriding examples, and try to do some any other examples related to private, public, and protected and default, so that you will get more clarity. I'm just merging things once again. When you make a variable private, method private, in that case you can use that in same class. We can't use that method outside the class. If you talk about default, when we make a default method or default class or default variable, in that case sorry, in that case we can use that all methods which is already in class inside the same package only. We can't use that class outside the package. If you talk about protected, we can not directly use protected methods, protected variables. We need to just extend that. We need a child class, like we need to extend first that class, and after that we can use that methods or that variables. If you talk about public is we can use, like as name suggests, it is we can use this anywhere we want, like inside package, outside package, inside class, outside the class. And the main point to remember, like a class can't be private or public. That a class can only be default or public. A class can't be private or protected. Okay, a class cannot be private or protected. A class only be default and public. So that's all for access modifiers. Try to do some examples at your end, so that you will get more clarity. If you have any issue or any related issue for this video, please do comment. I'm here to help you. So thanks for watching.